Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok. Your network is unstable tap to retry problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get a start. First of all, go to phone settings, scroll down, click on apps option, tap on search bar, search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, delete confirm, okay, back, and now tap on permission option and click on allow all permission complete. First camera allow, back, second contacts allow, back, my location allow, back, microphone allow, back, music and audio allow, back, nearby devices allow, back, notifications turn on notifications, okay, back, photos and videos, okay, allow all permission complete, okay, back to home screen. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected, okay, done. Okay, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone, okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for TikTok, tap on TikTok, and now update to TikTok app. My TikTok app already updated to the latest version, okay, back to home screen and open your TikTok and tap on profile icon and tap on three line option and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.